Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marsha. Thank you so much for joining me here today on my channel for my 900 subscribers giveaway. Thank you so much. Yay! Everyone should be giving themselves a round of applause because I could not have done it without you. Thank you, each and every one of you, 900 beautiful people who decided to be a part of my creative community here on my YouTube channel at Markets of Sunshine. So now, in normal fashion, I love to thank you for supporting me. And so I'm going to be giving away 3 store credits to my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. And it's going to be $10 credit. And you can use it on any item in my shop. You pay the shipping, and anything over $10, anything under $10, there's no cash value. So you want to use up your $10, otherwise you'll lose whatever you don't use. And in order to enter the giveaway is something very, very simple and easy to do. Obviously, first thing is to subscribe to my channel, which you have done. If you're new and you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you have an opportunity to enter. The second thing to do is to join my email mailing list. You do that at sunShineMakersClub.com. That link will be in the description below. Fill out the form. You'll get a coupon code that is your lifetime code for 2023 to use in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. And the third thing to do is to leave a comment here on this video letting me know what you love about the items in my shop, my videos that I have on my channel, anything you've seen me post on my social media, Instagram, if you follow me there, anything you've read in my emails that I send out, any of the things that I do. If you're in my Facebook group, Markets of Sunshine, please let me know what you enjoy about that and the things I post there. And then the fourth thing that I want you to do is head over to my Etsy shop right now, after you've done the first 3 things, and favorite all of the items that you love in my shop. So that will let me know that you have completed the 4 steps: subscribing to Markets of Sunshine here on YouTube, joining my email mailing list at sunShineMakersClub.com, heading over to my, making a comment here on this video, and then 4th, heading to my Etsy shop and favoriting all the items that you love. And then I will give until today is Wednesday, March 8th. So I will give this through the weekend. So Monday, I will do the drawing. So you'll have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days to enter this giveaway by doing those steps that I just mentioned, which will also be in the description box below with all the good information, all the links that you need. And so I hope to see lots of you signing up. If you're already subscribing, wonderful. You don't have to do that step, obviously. If you're already a member of my email list, then you already don't have to do that step. So then that only leaves you 2 steps: to leave me a comment here on this video, and also going to my Etsy shop and favoriting all the things you love, and then waiting for me to do the drawing. So you have lots of chances to win, and I will be giving away to everybody who enters, who follows all of those steps. Not only will I give the 3 people the $10, but I will give the rest of the people a $5 off coupon code. And so you'll have that, and then you'll have, once I do the drawing on Monday, I'll do another video with the drawing with the winners, who got the $10 store credit, who gets the $5 store credit, and then you will have 1 week to use your prize. Okay, so thank you again. Oh, this is so exciting. Yay! So now we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I'm just tickled pink. So thank you so much for all of your wonderful support. I love making videos for you. I'm having such a wonderful time with these slow stitch kits. I've got another one right here underneath of this that I'm working on for you. I absolutely love the family heritage tree that I just put in the shop yesterday. So here's the pattern, and here's this beautiful family tree that I made that you can make something just as beautiful and just as lovely. It comes with all the fabrics you need to make the kit. So every kit comes with a background foundation piece, all the fabrics you need. The larger kits have 30 plus items. The smaller kits have just enough to complete one project. So I hope that you will head over to my shop. Let me see how many of you are loving what you see me doing here on Markets of Sunshine YouTube channel, and I look forward to getting to know you better. Thank you again. Stay safe. Keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.